Okay, here we go. I got the Rexine V1P. Previously I did a video on this and a lot of people are like, well, mine don't work that way. You'd think all these would work the same, but no, the V1P from Rexine works a little bit different. I'm going to go ahead and launch the Rexine in a tablet. I have an S8 Active and it supports Rexine, but it doesn't work very good. When you download it, it actually just disappears off your device. It only stays in the app. I'm gonna have to start the car to get this to work up here. Hopefully you guys can see everything. Should turn on in a little bit. There it goes, Rexine. So this is the V1P. I got the back camera power source. I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the recording. See, it's blinking up there. It's kind of hard to see with the... There we go. Shut off the recording. Now you're just gonna want to hold on the record button, and it goes to Wi-Fi. It becomes its own Wi-Fi spot, basically Bluetooth. There's all the information it gives you. Then you're gonna want to come down here. Don't know what happened to my video. There we go. Want to come down to your tablet. Even though it's connected to Wi-Fi, you're gonna want to click connect, and then it's gonna take you to Wi-Fi. And then you're gonna want to go find it. B1, whatever the heck it is. Obtaining IP address. It's gonna give you a little bit of a problem there. I normally screen share, but this tablet doesn't like screen share. Okay, connected, no internet. And it pops up. Man, this is really bad. There we go. Connected, no internet. Just press the back button. Now it'll say the correct thing down there. Then connect. There, it's connecting. There's me. That brings it up. That's the live feed. I'm going to go ahead and go to videos, because this is how to download your content, and it will show up in your photo folder on your phone. Shouldn't have too big of a file list. Oh, what's it doing? What's it doing? Probably got some type of ad or something. Oh, no, glitched out a little bit. Now again, up here, while this thing's thinking for some reason, remember to hold the record button to turn on the Wi-Fi. And to see if it's still on, because the screen blacks out on mine, hit the far right button. Pops right up with the stuff. Your info. I'm gonna have to kill this because the app, I believe, messed up. We're gonna relaunch Rexine app. Now again, certain devices that you try to suck the content to does not let you save it to your phone's gallery. It'll just save it to the app. I don't know where it goes when it messes up like that, but my tablet works perfect, and I have an S6 Active where it works perfect. It's getting the file list. I do like screen sharing or recording the screen a lot better. Okay, so it's messing up when I'm making this video. It's not gonna load. So at least I showed you how to connect to Wi-Fi, I guess. I guess the app isn't working very well. It shows recording up there. I don't quite know what's going on. So when this loads, you will get the video, and it'll be unlocked. That's the stuff it just records that means nothing to you normally. And then you got locked. You click on locked. Let's try something a little bit different. I'm gonna hold the button to shut off the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna kill the app on the tablet real quick. I'm gonna go into the recordings, and I'm gonna delete all. Now I'm doing this because on my older video, it couldn't connect when the when the SD card was fully loaded, so you had to delete everything on it because it couldn't load it all. I have a 32 gigabyte card in there. 8 gigabyte I had a lot less problems. Wait, shuts that off quick, don't it? It will not delete your locked. Your locked still stays on there until you say to unlock all. And then it unlocks all, and then I just let it override. So we're gonna let it do that. Maybe I got an SD card in there, who knows? Normally don't take that long. Maybe it's time for a quicker SD card. Now when you look for SD cards, I look for ScanDisk has the coolest ones because they transfer super fast, twice as fast as a normal SD card. They're A2s. You'll most likely see that they're A1s. Look for an A2. They are super fast. 159 megabyte transfer. Okay, there we go. Let's go back. Now it only has locked ones. Let's go back to where we're looking out the front window. And that's our locked stuff. Sorry you can't see it very well. I'm gonna hold on the record button, turn the Wi-Fi back on. Now we're back into the Wi-Fi mode. Let's do this before my tablet dies. Click on the Rexine app again. You guys can't see everything I'm doing. Rexine's loading. Now it's connected to my car's internet. So I have to click on that. You can pre-connect, but it'll still do the same thing. So you might as well just let it connect through its process. Connected, no internet. Pressing the back button now. Now it's down there, just like we had before. No internet access, it's saying. That's fine. Pushing the video button. See if it loads this time. Stopping the recording, getting the file list, and it loaded. So, you kind of want a small SD card, or it won't load all the files. I'm going to go under locked. Let's download a little one. Do we have any little ones? Okay. Well, no, let's download a full one. Just to show you. Download. You click and hold. Click and hold as many as you want. And then down here is the... Whoops. Oh, I hit it and I didn't know. It is... Sorry, this is awful. I normally screen capture. It's downloading it. I'm only downloading one because my battery's at 6%. Just a waiting game. Okay, and then down there it says it downloaded. Now I'm going to go under my gallery, under my device. There's my gallery. Wow, this thing really does not like... Oh, it's because I keep hitting the change the temp, color temp. Okay, here we go. It should be under my gallery, under Rexine. Oh, look, I got 4 of them under there. Now the newest one, it's right up there at the top. Popped right up. Now on your phone, if it's not working right, none of this will show. And there we go. There's my video. That's offline. Guess I could shut off my Wi-Fi to show you it's offline there. My Wi-Fi's off. It's not connected to the Rexine dash cam anymore. There we go. Now on the V1P, the files will be separated. Even though it shows on the V1P, like in the corner, there is a your back one. It saves them separate. Like this will be your front camera, this will be your back camera. It'll bring them up separately. 2 different footages. But the V1P, at least the cheap one that I bought, the rear camera is only like 720p. The front one's 1080p. So watch out for your quality there. Also reflections. I don't know if you guys can see the reflections. I got stuff in my back window to block out the sun and all that. These little things like this. And the reflection messes with it. So when you're done, you just want to hold that, shut it off. And there we're back into that mode. And you can go under the settings and go under protect and unprotect all. I'm not going to because I didn't pull them all off. Unlock all, and then it'll automatically override them. just remember, I guess you gotta delete off the old stuff to be able to access it or get a smaller SD card. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody out.